Stripe and DataHero make a great pair. Stripe is great for accepting customers' payments, and DataHero is great at helping you understand your business behind the payments and is simple enough for anyone in your company to use. I'm going to show you how to connect DataHero to your Stripe account so that you can get answers about your billing and about your business. Let's say that you have a website that sells watches, and you need to know things like how sales are going, if there's a pattern to your sales, and if you're refunding many charges. First, connect your Stripe account. DataHero is an authorized partner, so your information is completely secure. But keep in mind that only administrators of your Stripe account can access the data needed for these reports. Once you connect, DataHero will list 3 categories of Stripe data that you can use to answer just about every question you have. For what we need, the charges report will do. Importing grabs your data from that specific moment in time, so it's as up-to-date as it gets. As we import the Stripe data, our data decoder recognizes things like currencies, zip codes, and customer ID and classifies it accordingly. But it's always a good idea to double-check our work. With good data in hand, Chart Magic will automatically recommend some charts we think will be useful for your data. You can choose one of these to work with, or just create your own from scratch. So the first question is, how are my sales doing? Creating charts is as simple as asking a question. Simply drag on the bits of information in your question. So we want amounts and created is when the charge occurred. Based on the range of dates, DataHero will automatically suggest a grouping, but changing that is super easy. Just change the drop down here to select the view you want. In this case, let's go monthly. Looks like sales are up and to the right. Nice job. Ever curious to see what day of the week has the most sales? Simply change the grouping again to view your sales by day of the week and spot any trends. Hey, looks like those Thursday sales emails are working. Finally, let's see how many orders that is. You can easily switch to get a count of sales here. You may want to consider some extra help at the warehouse on the weekends so that your orders don't get backed up on Monday. But as good as sales are, everyone has credit card transactions that don't go through. Let's see what percentage of sales we are losing. Let's change our view back to monthly sales. Then drag on the paid field and you can see what percentage of each month's charges don't go through. As you know, in e-commerce, for each returned or refunded item that a customer sends back, you have to do a bit of work in the warehouse. Let's see how many items are getting refunded. Drag on refunded to the filter area. It's a true-false statement, so let's uncheck false to see the true refunds. Looks like you're getting a few more returns than last month. You'll want to let your team know, so quickly give the chart a title. We'll call it Sales Refunded by Month. Need to share it with your team now, so just download it, and you'll get an image file that you can send in an email or share however you like. Now it's your turn. Unmask the answers in your data.